Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create home screen folders like this one on POCO C75. To create home screen folders, press and hold on an app you want to add to the folders and drag it over another app you want to have in the same folder, then release and it creates a folder like this. You can add more and more apps like that. And it creates this folder. You can also add a name when you open the folder. Click on its name, then type in another name and then click anywhere on the screen and it's set. To remove an app from the folder, drag it out of the folder and place somewhere on the home screen, then release. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.